Do you mind answering a few questions? I see. Hog was also one of the animals trained by the terrorist groups. We'll need to keep this under wraps, which means we'll be taking him with us.
Please take good care of him.
Listen, you're being difficult.
If you don't let me keep it, then I'm gonna turn bad and stop going to school.
But why would you do that?
Well, he's yours.
But Hannah